Okay guys, today we're going to be learning about analogies, or words used to set up a comparison of two things to show a relationship of some sort, whether that's similarities or differences. Okay, so again, that definition is an analogy, something that is set up to show a comparison of two things to show the relationship. Okay? Now, what do I mean by that? I'll give you kind of an example. Okay? Glass and window. They're two separate things. But in an analogy, you could say something like glass is to window, or window is to glass. Okay? What's the relationship there? Okay? In a window, you have a frame, and within that frame is glass. So this analogy is showing that the window or the glass is a part of the window. So you might come across something that says window is to glass as book is to what? Well, how about paper? Paper is a part of the book, right? It's just a simple analogy. You can find many more of these on Google. Super easy to find. You just Google analogies, okay? And in your assignment, you're going to have some of those as well. But that's just kind of a brief overview of what an analogy is. Now, in addition to analogies, you have to deal with things like figurative meaning and literal meaning. Okay? We use the word literally all the time. I literally could eat a cow right now. I'm so hungry. Right? You hear your friends, family members saying stuff like that. Okay? That's not how we use the word literally. Okay? Literally, or the literal meaning, is the actual meaning of the word. Something that is true. Okay? Could you literally eat an elephant by yourself? Probably not. So we're probably talking about figuratively. Now the figurative is something in theory, okay? The idea in your head. You're using it to prove a point. So, I figuratively could eat an elephant. I'm so hungry. We kind of mix those things up a lot, okay? But when we're talking about analogies, just remember that, okay? Figurative is using it as an example, whereas literal is what is actually happening. Okay? Now, going back to those analogies, I want to give you another one just to kind of hone that in a little bit more. Okay? See if you can figure this out. Sleep is to hibernate, as travel is to. So let's examine that again. Sleep is to hibernate. So let's look at those two words. Sleep and hibernate. Okay? When an animal hibernates, they're sleeping, correct? So it's similar. But when we use the term hibernate, we're talking about sleeping for an extended period of time. So, sleep is to hibernate, as travel is to. When we travel, we're going somewhere, right? For an extended period of time. So when you travel, go somewhere for an extended period of time, what would you call that? Hint, hint, trip. Okay? Traveling for an extended period of time, you're taking a trip. So when you are looking at analogies, examine that first pair, if it's given, figure out that relationship real quick. How are these two things related? Are they opposites of each other? Or are they similar? Figure it out, and that'll help you kind of figure out how to select the correct answer on your assignments. Okay? I hope that helps you guys. If you have any questions, please